Hey guys, and welcome to Petrol Ped. Now I'm down in the Pyrenees, on the Tour de Pyrenees with GT Tourz, and today we've got a track day at the Pau Arnos circuit, which is a circuit I've never been round, I don't know, but believe me, I've been here 5 minutes and it looks spectacular. It's a very hot day, it's about 32 degrees, all the cars are lined up. We've just had our briefing, we've only got 2 hours, and we need to be a bit careful because we've still got a day of driving to do tomorrow, so it's a case of going out, experiencing the circuit, maybe driving at 7/10 and just enjoying the undulations. We'll kind of see over there. So in this video, I'll take you certainly in my car, Lady P, as we go around, maybe one or two of the others. And also we might get the drone up and do some cool drone footage. But this should be awesome because there's some fantastic cars with us this week. And I can't wait to see, especially the GT4 RS. And the pista going around the circuit. Okay. Let me take you for a lap of Pau Arnos. I'm going to go really slow because I don't basically want any issues here. It's a very slippy circuit. I'm just going to go around, learn the circuit a bit, manual override. Undulations to it. I don't know it at all, so well, that tightens up a bit there. Oh, what a circuit, look at this. I guess it's wide out here. I'll cut back in. Oh, lovely constant apex. Wide out here. I've heard that this is fast into this chicane down here. Full on braking. Come back in. Woo! Oh, what? Lovely. Learning a circuit. Cut it back in and then hang out here. This one's apparently a bit tricky. Stop that. Oh, I get you. Nice. Okay, time for lap 2. There's something a bit special. I've got an FPV drone flying above me, hopefully. Long on this, stretch it out, come out to the rumble strips, and this is a fast flowing, brave corner. want to say a massive thank you to Richard Geres, the drone pilot who captured these incredible images. I'll put all his social media details below. Please give him a follow. What an incredible machine he was flying. It's basically a racing drone with a GoPro attached to it. It's capable of speeds of up to 180 kilometers an hour. You can see here at the bottom of the screen, you can see the speed, the distance from the takeoff point, and also the altitude. Richard could only do about 1.5 laps following a car until the battery needed replacing. Absolutely sensational. Watch the speed here, up to 130, 40, 150, 160, 166 kilometers an hour. I've got a pista behind me. I think I'll be letting him through at the earliest possible opportunity. Just let him through here, look. Yeah. He's flying. Dangerous Dave strikes again. This is such a long, difficult, technical corner. Just come out a little bit wide there. Coming in, let it cool down. Tyre PSI is at 41 PSI, they start at 33. It's a hot day today, people. It's a really hot day today. Oh man, that was awesome. Absolutely awesome. Wow, what an amazing, amazing circuit. Very technical, tight and twisty, hugely rewarding. There's the little corkscrew left and right. You get that right, it's fantastic. The big sweeping right coming down the hill, that just takes bravery. The big challenge we've got though is it's just very, very hot. We'll just see the Boxster anniversary going back out. Amir's been out in his pista again. We'll have to see. Oh, Dan's been in the car. How was that, mate?
I tell you what, it's like a rocket ship, this thing. Mad.
Oh dear. And then John's been out in the 4RS sticky tyres. I tell you what though, Pilot Cup 2s. John. Hello. Would you like a discount code for some Michelin Pilot Sport?
I would love
2s?
a discount code for some Michelin.
I'll sort you out after that, because I think you might need it.
Can they deliver them tonight? Fitted for the morning.
I know, right? Mine aren't too bad, because I'm being good. I've only had 2 sessions. I'm on Pilot Sport 4S's, but they're not too bad. The backs are a bit angry, but they were, before I came away, they had like 5 to 6 mil on them, so yeah, they should be okay. But yes, what a circuit. And the drone footage, utterly insane. The guy over there, he's only able to do about 2 to 3 minutes before the battery dies. He's got an absolute stack of batteries. Here we come in. Now then, let's go out for our final session, because it's hot. You know, you've been out with Amir in the pista and with Alan in the GT3 Touring. Good?
Incredible, yeah. Alan, just the way he uses the track, from, you know, from one white line to the other, just using all the space just to flatten out the corners. That's the first thing I noticed.
Yeah.
The second thing I noticed is just the confidence that he's got in the car and the grip. You know, I would be backing off thinking that the car's not going to make it around the corner, but he has total confidence in the car, which makes a massive difference. pista is just like a rocket ship. It's ridiculous.
So let my tyres warm up, but I really need a great deal of warming up. Really late. You can always come back on yourself. I don't think I've done it right once yet. This is a brave corner that I haven't got the braveness for.
This is where Alan's got the confidence in the grid. He didn't let off on here.
Yeah, I bet he didn't.
Ridiculous. It's the train.
I reckon this, if you get this right, what a corner.
Yeah.
This one's from that and then back down. By an absolute mile there. How did I do, sir?
That was no different to how you've been driving all week.
But no police. Wow. Great circuit, wasn't it?
Yeah, fantastic. Really.
Yeah, I thought I'd come in because my tyres are now at 42. So hot. So hot. It's the hottest. What's the temperature? Outside temperature is 32 degrees.
32 degrees, yeah.
That's just way too hot. But yeah, there we go. Wicked. Absolutely wicked.
Oh, it is.
One more, one more.
Just have one more for it.
Oh.
Not happening. Sorry, mate. Can't believe it.
Oh!
What a nightmare.
It'll still go on YouTube.
Yeah.
So that was nearly the best lap of Pau Arnos ever. This is Al from GT Tourz. We did the pit lane.
Did the pit lane, mate.
Yeah,
that was annoying. Oh, sorry.
Look, did you even wore me driving gloves?
Did. Head gloves.
Head gloves, yeah. What a circuit though.
What a mega track. Mega track. This car is just off the scale. Off the scale, I just love it.
Oh.
Leeds Tours, on track.
Good start, yeah. Now.
But all these cars have been good on track.
They've all been good on track, they've all been good on tour.
Yeah.
All I would say is, if you want to come on a sensational driving tour, you need to watch my whole driving tour video, which will be a separate video. This guy is the best of the best, mate.
Oh,
you really are? No, you are. Don't be modest.
I'll go modest now.
Yeah, go modest. No, you'll show
dark glasses on.
That was the best lap ever. Look, that's the fastest lap of the day.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
Anyway, if you enjoyed that, give me a thumbs up. Comments below are always welcome. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to Petrol Ped for plenty more content to come. And we are going to go back to the hotel and have a cold one.
Have a beer. Alcohol free, of course.
That was so close. Good title though. that'll be the fastest not lap of Pau Arnos in a GT3 Touring. And Dave, that's not Dave. Did you hear Dave got a hot wheel warning?
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh,
How'd you do
on
that?
his carbon wheels.
Yeah. How'd you do
Oh
that?
dear, that's the thing.
Hey guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Drive safe, people. Drive safe.
Au revoir.
Really got it.
All right, mate.